Here comes Ross. He's a Shepherd mix, 1 year old, heartworm negative. He's on the euthanasia list for September 12th, and he needs his loving forever home. He's a good boy. He's good on the leash, good with cats, and as you can see, he's good with the girls. So look this way. He's wanting to give April some loving and Grace. See? Yeah, good boy. Now he's going to want to play. All right, now he wants his belly rubbed. All right, turn around this way, Ross. All right, walk him this way. Let's get him walking. Come on, boy. Hey. Yeah. All right, let me get you close up.
Come here, boy. Okay, we don't want the white butt. We want the face.
Hey. Hey, pretty boy. Did somebody come on and get me?
He just wants to show you the butt. So badly.
Hey, Ross. Hey, sweetheart.
Butt.
Yeah, he's a friendly fellow.
Come here, boy.
Somebody come and save me. Yeah. And if I didn't say it, he's heartworm negative. All right.